Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. Today, we're going to be checking out this RYOBI pressure washer right here. This is a 2000 psi, 1.2 gallon per minute model. It's portable, as you can see. Now, this sells at Home Depot for about $200. Now, in the back of my mind, RYOBI also sells another pressure washer. It's 1800 psi. It's a little smaller, more compact, and it's half the price of this model. So we're going to be kind of considering that as we go through this video. Anyway, today we're going to check out all the features and how this thing operates, and we're going to do some cleaning. Here we go. All right, guys, let's quickly go through some of the features of this pressure washer. Come on in. First off, up front here, you have a connector for your high pressure hose. On the side here, you actually have storage for your high pressure hose. You can see this is like a medium quality hose. I have a little concern if it gets a kink in it or bend in it, it actually might be permanent. You can see you have storage for that as well. Now, up here you have a soap dispenser. On the side here, you have storage for your electrical cord. That's nice and convenient. Now let's move to the back here. Here you have a telescoping handle, which makes moving this pressure washer really simple. Now in the back here, you have storage for your wand on this side, and on the other side, you have storage for your wand head. You can see it's got a quick connect for the nozzle adapters right there. Now this nozzle is the turbo nozzle. You also have two other nozzles. Here's a 15-degree nozzle right here, and this blue one is the soap dispenser nozzle. You can see that actually has very little pressure on it, so when you're using soap you don't get a lot of pressure. Now the last thing I want to show you is in the back here. Here's your hose connector, and then let me give you a bonus thing. You can see this has a nice metal frame on it. So let me show you how to get this thing set up and get it ready for cleaning. Our cleaning task today is to bring this shed to its original beautiful luster. We're gonna make it look nice and pretty. Here we go. Well, I definitely did a bunch of cleaning today thanks to this RYOBI 2000 psi 1.2 gallon per minute pressure washer. Now you saw that I gave my car some love today. I also cleaned up the shed. So those are some tasks out of my way. So bottom line on this pressure washer is it is a fine pressure washer. However, is it better than the RYOBI 1800 psi pressure washer that I reviewed? There'll be a link to that video right down there below. And I'd say I couldn't tell the difference. So should you spend an extra $100 on this pressure washer over the 1800 psi? I think the answer is no. Now, there are some of you out there who want the most powerful pressure washer you can buy, and that's not a problem because I also reviewed one of those. It was the Greenworks 3000 psi. I'll have a link to that video down there below as well. If you're power hungry, that's gonna be the pressure washer for you. So I would love to hear from you guys in the comments down below whether you think I got this video right or not by recommending the RYOBI 1800 over the RYOBI 2000 psi model. Also, when you're done with that, there's a video right there that you're gonna wanna check out. Trust me, it's gonna blow your mind. I'll see you guys over there.